Hello YouTubians and fellow hobbyists! Welcome to our little show on Saturday morning. I'm your host Gary Chi and we in week 2 on our little red Corvette build. And we want to talk about the motivation behind the build. But now first, as always, the riddle! In which year was the first Corvette introduced? 1950, 1953, or 1956? The answer is always the end of the show. Down in the garage, we take care on our special doors, which give our little car the topping of the icing of the cake. But see for yourself, down in the garage. Yeah, first thing here in the garage, making the hinges for the scissor doors. Time to mount the hinges on the doors and open them. And that's how it looks like. Now we cut out the door panels, so we have some for the doors. Now we're gonna do the door jambs. First take measurement and then we're gonna close the gaps. Now we're gonna glue on the door panels, but that's all for now. Back to the studios. This week I want to talk about the motivation and the thoughts behind the new build. Well, the Corvette is of course a timeless beauty, and I didn't want to destroy that milestone of design. But I also have a hard time to just glue stuff together and put some paint on it. So I decided to make some Lamborghini doors. And I have to say, it took me some sleepless nights to figure and downsize the mechanics and the concept of those special doors. But that is my personal motivation to build those cars. I love to engineer and design my dreams in styrene. Now to the solution of today's riddle. The 50s brought up a lot of good things. One of it, a fantastic car called Corvette. But in which year exactly was it introduced? Alright, now to the sad part of the show, the ending. We really appreciate you guys tuning in every Saturday and commenting. Don't forget to watch the videos until the end. Some of you might already know by now there's always some funny outtakes. But now, love and friendship, something you can't buy. Respect all people. Keep that hobby alive. See you next Saturday, folks. In the riddle, the Model T was a very successful... What was it?
I don't know. A successful invention.
You have to do it again.